Magandang labanan to. Peter, first fight. Hoy, first fight. Come on, boys. Come on. Oh, ready na, ready na. Number 33. Uy! Short. Peter. Nope. Rebound, number 44. Rebound, number 16. Kaya kami dalawa. Uy, Minches. Number 93. Pass it to number 16. Another miss. Ang dami. Battle of the Giant to. Number 30.
Sir, stop daw muna, sir.
Oop.
Stop daw muna, stop.
Stop. Yellow ball tayo. Ah, okay.
Hoy, ibulong mo lang. Huwag mo sigawan. Ibulong mo. Hindi nang daw, sir. Nalilito kasi ako. Akala ko nasa kasi.
Commentary.
Ano? Hindi, medyo pause yung boses natin. Stop next rep. Number 97. Pass to number 13. Number 13, dribble the ball. Hinanap ang kakampi, pinasa sa number 33 na wala. Number 44, nagmamadali. Pinasa pa. 2 points by number 54. Number 13. Coach by Chu. 13! Bang! Number 27 setting for a play. Looking for his teammate. 27. Gustong bumawi. Ibinigay kay 78. Pass inside. 54. Spin move. No good. Rebound by each teammate. Number 44 takes a shot. Nope. 54. Nope. Rebound by. Oy. Red ball. Oy. Welcome, Ken. Number 13. Set the play. Pass to Jerome. Jerome, dribble the ball. Screen by 33. Jerome takes a shot. Benga! 2 points. Number 78. 78. Pass inside. Bakes! Blocked by number 97. But hit back by number 44. 2 points. And the shot is brought to you by Mitsubishi Motors. You can trust. Number 13 again. No good. Rebound by 40. Oy! It's a double dribble. Substitution. Substitution rep. 21 in, number 54 out. Number 32 in, number 34 out. Yellow ball. Time remaining 3 minutes and 21 seconds on the first quarter. 28 takes a long three. No good. Rebound by 44. Pinasa sa kakampi. Nakuha niya. 27. Nagmamadali. Sidestepping move. Pinasa kay 21. Basket's good. 97 takes the shot. No! What a block. 21. Alam na yung move na yan. 20 yung move na yan. Ipinasa pa. Number 32. 32. Pinasa kay 78. Bang! Nawala yung move ni Ken, ah. The score is 12-10 in favor of sino lamang? 28. Pass. Ay! Number 33. Pinasa ulit sa loob. Uy! It's a foul! Basket's good! Who's foul rep? Number 78. Number 78. Parang team foul. Oh, yung team foul. One shots. It's a foul. Substitution rep. Foul number 44. Red. 44 red. Substitution. Substitution. Mm, 16. 44. Ipinasa kay 27. 27. Alam na yan. 21. 2 points by Ken. The score is 14-12. Jerome. Pinasa kay 13. No good. Rebound by 44. Pass to number 78. Nagmamadaling tumakbo. Ayan na. 78. Zigzag move. Fakes. No. Intercepted. Pinasa. Idadakdak na to. Hindi. Nilayap lang. 2 points by number 97. Number 32. Harassing by 13. 32. Pinasa kay 78. Ang ganda naman yun. 47 remaining time. Jerome. Pasa sa loob. Naku! Same ball. Remaining time. 30 seconds. $28. Foul.
Pwede ba maganda ng ano? Bawal na.
78. O tamo, nakashoot pa yung kakampi mo. 29, no? Foul by number 13. Two shots by number 27. Pasok, unang tira, pasok. Last shot, last shot. Number 27. 1 point again, 2 points in total. Red ball. Time in. Number 27, fast to Ibo, 25, 27, fakes, and drive, zigzagging move, no good. Rebound by 21, 21, pinasa sa loob, nawala. 97, 2 points by Efren. 58, Jeff, pass to Ibo. Ibo, pinasa. 21, alam na, no good. 41, pinasa, no good. Rebound by Kalaban. 27, dribble the ball. Zigzag move again, and makes a 2-point shot. The score is 20-16. Uy! 97, dribble the ball. Pass to Jerome. 27 inside. 41, tinapik. It out of bounds. What's the call, ref? Number, pushing foul by number 21. 16. 16. Fifty-eight. 58, pinasa loob. 44. It's a troubling violation. Jerome. Pass. Jerome nag-dribble. Takes a long three. No good. Rebound by his teammate. 16. Nag-fakes. Pinasa sa loob. 97. It's a foul by number 58. First personal foul on the first team foul. 16. Fakes, takes a shot. Basket's good. Saan ba yan? 21 makes a move and 2 points by Ken. Score is 22-18 in favor of Red. Jerome nagmamadali. Hinaras ni 20. Oy, pinas sa gitna. Fakes. Walang tawag. 97. Spin move. Fakes. Tinira. Napabalagbag. Pasok. 27. Alam na yan. Pinasa sa loob. No good. Oy, sinundutan. Kinuha na yung rebound. 97. It's a foul by number 58. Second personal foul. Tama. Second personal foul. Sorry. Baliktad eh. Hindi, dalawa na siya. Oo. Si Jeff, nakadalawa na ngayon. What's the call? Number 27. Foul. JR, foul. Third team foul. Red. Huh? 16! Sayang. Red ball. Pinasa kay Ibo. Ibo, nagdi-dribble. Tinawid ang bola, pinasa kay number 27. 27 setting for a play. Waiting for his teammate. Number 21 sa the screen. Oy. Pinasa kay 21. 21. Idian na rin sa loob. Hindi tinawagan. Takes a 3. Ibo. No good. Rebound by 33. Pass to 16. Pass to 28. Takes a shot. 3 points. Lumamang na ng isa ang yellow team. Score is 23-22. 16. Got the ball. Pinasa sa gitna. No good. Out of bounds. Timeout. Yellow. 1 minute. Oh. Second quarter. 5 minutes and 31 seconds remaining time. 21. Dribble the ball. 21. Looking for his teammate, setting for a play. 21. Fakes. Pass to the 54. Oh, out of bounds. Fakes. Tumira. No good. It's a foul. Who's foul rep? Number 13. Number 13. First? Ilan? Second? Second na yung... Second foul, number 13. 34. Pass to Diaz, 27. Diaz, sumalaksak. Pinasa ulit kay 34. Tumira. No good. 16. Number 28, Jerome using the... No, nothing but net. 2 points by Jerome. (21) Dribble the ball, 21. Same ball. 9 seconds remaining time on the shot clock. 9 seconds. 27, no good. 13, ipinasa. Jerome on the drive. No good. 21. Signature move. No good. Short. 41. Rebound by 41. Pass to number 13. 13 takes a long three. No good. Rebound by 33. Sala pa rin. It's a Foul by number 97. Substitution rep, number 97, second personal foul on the 4th foul. Second foul. Second daw, sabi niya. Dalawa. 24, fakes. Pinasa. Nice pass and nice shot. 54, 2 points. Score is 24-25 in favor of yellow team. 33, pass to 28. Jerome takes a shot. No good. Rebound by number 32. Harassed by 54. Kinuha yung bola. Oops. Spin move to 54. No good. Rebound by number 97. 97 nagmamadali. 97. 2 points by Efren. Intercepted by 28. 28. Zigzagging move. No foul committed. Rebound by 32. Harassing by 28. 27. Pinas sa gitna. Basket's good. Score is 26-27. 28. Pinasa kay 41. Face. Foul. And counted. Who's foul rep? Basket's good. Number 78. Second personal foul by number 78. Both teams. Both teams are warning for penalty. 54 inside. It's a foul. 97. Apology accepted. 2 foul. Third personal foul by Efren. Third personal. Foul daw, sabi na rin. Substitution reps. Wala muna. Pare, bawal ka lang to sa opensa. Basket's good. Substitution. Okay na daw, rep. Okay na daw, rep. 32 seconds remaining time on the second quarter. 28. Fakes, rebound. 28. It's lifting. Offensive foul. Number 41, penalty. 41. Time out. Yellow ball. This is our third quarter. Time in.
Hindi na ako magpigil.
Pre, ba't bumalik ito? Ba't bumalik to? Ano ko na petisyon na to? Yung sa referee. 2 shots. Sino? 3 points pare. Sa yellow. 32 fakes. It's a foul by number 33. First team foul. First foul. Yung yellow kanina. Tabla kanina eh. 1 point yung red ngayon. Okay, violation. Yellow ball. Official score, okay? Official score. Ba't ang lakas? Saan naririnig? 31-29, official score. 28, Jerome, pass inside, 33. It's a traveling violation. Dapat ganun yung referee natin.
Lamang yung yellow.
Yellow. 54. Uy, ang taas ng talo nun. Pinasa 54 uli. 54. Basket's good. Okay, lamang na po. All 31 in favor of both teams. 21, tinawid ang bola. 28, Jerome. Guarded by 27 and 21, Jerome. Substitution rep. Substitution. Kung sino? 41 in, 97 in, 41 out. 11. Shot lang. 28 takes a long three. No good. Rebound by itself. 28. Derives. Pinasa. No good. Na intercept. Pinasa kay 27. Alam na yan. Uy! Uy! Foul. 21. Hita ang kinuha. Hita. 21 pushing foul. Hugging violation daw yun, Gen. Hugging violation. Ano? Foul daw. Okay, first team foul, both teams. 13! No good! Uy!
Walang foul yun. Foul naman kami kanina bago mag-start. Sandali ha. Naka 3 points pa kami. Hoy, sandali. Hey, 28-30 kanina. 3 points kanina.
33 kayo.
Hindi nga, kasi sila kayo daw lamang eh. Kaya tanong ko.
Tama. Kanina, unang tres pa lang yon, 28. Tapos nag-shoot ulit kayo ng isang free throw.
O, 3 points pa natin ah. Eh naman kami ng dalawa kanina.
Hindi, tres. Hindi.
18, 30, 33.
Hindi, yung tres ng...
Hindi, tama. 18, 12. So, 30, 33. Tapos ito, 14, 28. Kala ko nga kayo silang alamang.
Okay, time in, sir.
Walang foul no, 1-1.
Who's foul rep? 32. In red, 32 in red. Pasok. First. Pasok, 16, isa. 16, yellow. Di pa. Nagtali ang ano.
Shoot.
Pasok. Number 16, 1 point.
Tali sila eh. Tama, sorry natin.
Official score, all 33. All 33. Official score. 27. Munti ka na yun. 27. Pass to 21. Butike. Pinasa uli. Oy, it's a foul. Basket's good! Continuous yun. Continuous, okay. Ano ilan? Third foul? 33, third personal foul on the second team foul. Inayos kasi, inayos. 2 shots. Basket's good. 1 shot lang pala yun. Okay, lamang yung red ha. 36-33. 97, pass to 28. 28, screen by 16, 28. Uy, ang ganda naman. Sala lang. Ipinasa. Nakuha ng kalaban. 33, 97, zigzagging dribble. Oh, it's a troubling violation. Hindi na tapik, pre. Hindi na tapik. 6 minutes remaining time. 32, nag-drive. Walang sumabay. It's a foul. Number 97 again. 4 fouls. Warning, 4 fouls. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Substitution. No, no sub. Okay. Second shot. Ay! Tardy no! Substitution. Substitution, mga magsasab. Oh, pula, dalawa. Number 32 out. Ibo and number 78 in. Pinasa sa loob. 78 takes a shot. No good. Rebound by 34. Sumalaksak. Ipinasa uli. 21. 2 points by 21. Patay na. Ebren. Counted. Basket is good. Foul number 34. Of red. 34. Substitution. 21 out, 58 in. 4 minutes and 35. Number 34, third personal foul.
Wala si Peter, pare. Wala si Peter.
Pete. Peter, you want to sub in? 78, harassing by 28. Ibo, selling for a play. Ibo, uy! Nakuha ng kalaban. It's a foul. It's a good foul. Number 58, Jeff.
58, third foul.
Third personal foul on the third team foul.
Lamang ba ang puya lang?
On the fourth team foul. Score is 39-37 in favor of red. 28. Guarded by 25. 28. Fakes. Takes a long three. No good. 13. Harassing by number 58. 13. Pinasa kay 97. Takes a shot. No good. Uy! Nakuha! Uy! Nawala! Uy! Pinasa ulit! Uy! Number 34. Pinasa ulit kay 54. Nagmamanali. Number 54. Sinulod. 2 points by number 54. Score is 41-37. 3 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time. 97, pinasa sa loob. Wow! It's a offensive foul by number 16. Substitution rep. Sub in. Number 33. Number 41 in. Number 16, third foul, okay? 78 guarded by number 13. 78, pasa kay 54. 54, nag-drive. Ginamit ang katawan. Foul! Wala po sa pwesto, kaya na-foul si number 16. Fourth foul, warning for disqualification. Number 54, 2 shots. Pasok ha, unang tira, pasok.
Dati, kailangan ng focus right.
Pasok ulit. Score is 43-37 in favor of red team. 28. Uy! Ang ganda ng depensa. Ang haba ng kamay ni 54. 54. Harassing by number 28. 54. Ipinasa kay 58. Oh! Naku! Pinaganda masyado. Napalalim. Penalty. Who's foul? Rep, who's foul? Rep, who's foul? Rep, who's foul, rep? 32, foul. Penalty. 2 shots by number 13. Basket's good. 1 point. 1 point sa yellow. Basket's good ulit. 43-39. 38 seconds remaining time. 32. Pinasa kay... Oy! Intercept! Intercept yan ni 97. 97. Sinabayan. Ganda naman ng pasa na yun. The score is 43-41. 78. Pinasa. Nakuha ni 54. Nagbanggaan sa ilalim. Pasok by number 54. 11 seconds. Remaining time. 11. Takes a long three. Bang! And this 3 points brought to you by Laser Band LTD. Red Bull, this is our fourth and last quarter. Official score is 45-44. Okay. Red Bull, red. Ba't inbound ang ano? Hindi. Pwede rin ba doon? Fourth quarter tayo. Side ball, rep. Okay, this is our last quarter, guys. 27-34. Pinasa sa loob. Pumasok. 2 points by Ken. Guarded by 2. Reds, 28. Hinaras ni 21. 28, siya pa rin nagdi-dribble. Ipinasa sa ilalim, 16. Nakuha yung bola. 27. 2 points by number 27. Gumawa na sila ng play. Harassing. Uy! 21 ulit. Uy! 97. Guarded by 27. It's a foul by number 27. Number 27. Second personal foul on the first team foul. 13. No good. Rebound by his teammate. 28 takes a fake. 28 dribble. Uy. No good. Nagkarambola sa loob. 97. 2 points by 97. 21. Receive the ball. 21. Ayan na. May konti doon. 2 points by number 27. 28. Takes a long 3. Bang! 3 points. Score is 53-49. 21 ulit. No good. Rebound by 54. 54. Foul. Ganun eh. 41.
Magka-size lang yung isang court. Isa pala. Magka-size lang pre, magka-size. You know.
54. Pasok. Namalikmata ka lang, Pito. Okay. 28. Guarded by 21. 28. Zigzag move. Ooh, nice screen. It's a foul. Offensive foul by number 41. Mauna pa ata si 41, pre, ah. 41, second personal foul on the second team foul. Uy! Maganda yung play sana na yun. No good. 97, nagmamadali. 97. 2 points by 97. Ginamit yung katawan doon. Pinasa uli. Sila tayo naghahabol. 54. Pinasa sa loob. Pinasa ulit. 2 points. Galing naman ng pasa na yun, no? Score is 56-51. 28. Harassing by 21. 28. 28. Dribble ulit. Pinasa sa loob. 2 points. Galing naman. 53-56. Nice coach. Nice coach. 21. Yun. No foul. No foul.
Traveling ba yun eh?
Foul. 27. Timeout. Red team. Official score 58-53 in favor. 28 takes a long two. Basket's good. 56-55. Up, no basket. Line violation. No basket. No basket, pre. Line violation. Okay, official score 56-55 in favor of red. Isa na lang yung lamang nyo. Okay. 13. Phoenix. Tumingin pa sa kalaban. No good. Rebound by 54. Nagmamadali. 54. Ito na, matake. Basket's good by number 54. Jerome. 28. Harassing by 21. 28. Pass 16. Pass inside. No good. Rebound by Ken. Si Ken po. Pinasa sa loob. Basket's good. And one. Number 33.
Ilan?
Fourth personal foul. Warning for disqualification. Mamaya pag pumasok.
Marami na rin sa kanila.
Timeout! Yellow team. Okay. Score is okay. 27 harassing. 13. Harassing by 27. Pass to 16. 16. Oy! Nauna yung hakbang bago dribble. Traveling violation daw sabi ng ref.
Wala na ngayon, isa pa. Wala na.
Okay. 27. Harassing by 21. Uy! 54. Ang galing mo naman. 54. Nakuha mo yan. 2 points. 5-54. Yan na. Nag-aaras na sila. 28. 28. 28. 28. Nawala ang bola. Time out. Red team. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Time in. Time in. Okay. Yan na po. Last 2 minutes. And that is brought to you by Elegance Eyewear. 2 points by Ken. 97. Pinasa kay Jerome for 3. No good. Rebound by 54. Uy! Uy! Good. 32. Pinasa. 21. Nagabang. Wala. 27. Nilabas ang bola. Dire-diretso sa kabilang side. Sinaras. 27. 27. Huli ka. 27. Nahuli talaga. 97. 2 points. The score is 57-65. Okay. Yan na po. Trap na po. Trap. 34. Pinasa kay 54. 54. Nagmamadali. Ginamit ang katawan. 21. Hesitate. Nahuli! Foul! Foul by 21. Number 21, foul. Side ball, dito. 56 remaining time. Okay, dapat ang quick 3 yan. Quick 3. Uy! Nako! Nice spin! Foul? Foul, 21. Ilan na sa 21? Third foul. Oy. Peter! Pang crucial si Idol. Eh, pumasok! No good. Keep. Kay 13, set mo kay 13. Lala, 2 points by 32. Oy! Hey! Mamaya, pare. That's it.
Wala na.
Okay na.
Ano ba yun? Wala na rin?